Good. Thank you for your excellent questions and responses by our distinguished guest. But we have run out of time. We hope that you have enjoyed participating once again in this exciting multilingual and multinational program. For further references, moderator, and study, you can consult your valuable ITC Participants Manual. I would like to remind all of our viewers who are interested in registering for the 2010 ITC Annual Series Diploma to contact the coordinator of our host institution to learn about the particular requirements for obtaining this certificate. We invite all of our participating organizations to continue promoting in your communities our noble mission of sharing knowledge for a better world. Our second video conference of the year 2010 series, Principles for Competitiveness in the New Global Reality, airing June 3rd, will be titled Competencies to Succeed in the New World, a Mandate for Change and Results. For additional information on this 2010 video conference series and its basic certification requirements, as well as dates and specific topics for other upcoming programs, please contact ITC. I would like to invite all organizational members of the ITC Global Knowledge Network to visit and use at ITC's website the MAC Virtual Video Library, the most extensive instructional video resource in the world today, where you can access all of ITC's past video conferences in both English and Spanish. Other interested organizations may purchase a 6 or 12-month usage license directly from ITC at any time. These valuable past programs can also be accessed individually as webcasts or with their support materials, exams, and an online ITC certification via the online video course options also offered at www.itcsandiego.com. We'll remind you that all ITC programs are created by and copyrighted to Miguel A. Cardenas and may not be taped, stored, reproduced, retransmitted in any form, in whole or in part, without the written consent of the author. On behalf of all of us, I thank you for your ongoing participation and interest in this unique program. Thank you, and see you soon.